In Bengaluru City, a company is pushing sustainable growth in India through Industry 5.0. Collaborative robotics, which empower people without upskilling. Meet Ignomagine, a vision to make in India for the world. Founded by Abhiram and Sumana, two passionate engineers solving material handling through Enlightened Machines. Automated storage and retrieval combined with autonomous mobility. No more tracks and failures. No more LiDARs and network congestion. NMAC moves timely at the scan of a barcode. No more bulky systems or dangerous human lifts. NMAC takes your packages from the unloading zone and places them on shelves in order, moves automatically to pick bins and deliver them to a manufacturing unit. NMAC, powered by vision and artificial intelligence, performs inventory audit, quality check, ensuring accuracy in order fulfillment. It is versatile and friendly. Whether your facility is partially automated or majorly manual, NMAC gives 10 times efficiency at 50% less cost. Our fleet management software is easy to use. You can monitor floor status live from anywhere on the network without any internet. With predictive maintenance, we prevent sudden shutdowns. With NMAC, you map your floor only once. No power loss like in SLAM. Watch your NMAC performing material handling effortlessly. Add users. Add NMACs. No limits. 3 modes of navigation to give flexibility to different users. You can save your usual tasks and run them now or later. Application that works for you. A solid team of robotics engineers constantly innovates to create autonomous industries across the world.